Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Particularly it's not my vlog, it's Wilma's vlog, vlog. But today I'm going to do unboxing of Kmart cheap and affordable smartphone stand. So let's see how it is. Usually I'm going to do unboxing and review, plus I will tell you about the material quality and how it handle the little bit heavier phone, because in the past there was phone like a little bit less heavy, thin, but right now I got a two phone. They are much heavier, about 220 gram plus sometime. So that's why I want to just understand this stand, tripod or whatever capable to handling this thing. Usually this is support also iPad as well. So let's see. I bought it today from Kmart. It's a brand Anko. So basically that's cost about 19 Australian dollar. So quite cheap, yeah, and a little bit heavy as well. Let's unbox it. Let's go. So here you go. We got the box, a whole box here. So let's we see, we unboxing all the way. So let's open it first here. Okay, there's different parts over here. Okay, nothing this. So we see here all are metal, a good metal. So this is what we call no need to instruction. Let's sort it out by ourselves. Let's just get them naked. Wow, quality is very good quality, and this is, I think, rugged rubber kind of stuff here, and this is for, I think, tablet. I don't think so the big tablet won't will fit. Maximum, not sure what kind of, you can adjust the size. This is will go like that, that's it, not more than that. So we'll see. So here, so all are made from metal, rubber grips for floor. So this is made from plastic, but quite good plastic, rugged, so you don't have to worry about anything. So let's see how it's look like on standing position. So let me fix it, joint it first. So first take this table, put number 3. So number 3 we have to put it, adjust it like that. Okay, good. Now number 2, good, and number 1. Okay, click it, rotate it so it stick on the place, won't move. Perfect. Let's adjust this one, other side. Okay, we're done almost. It is quite heavy a little bit, so about 1 kilogram or 1 kilogram approx. So here, let's see here, rotate it like that, not all the way. Okay, you adjust it so it is adjustable. Okay, now go inside, rotate it according to, adjust yourself according to your requirement. So okay, this is the way, and this is for iPad or whatever. So let's see here. Let's show you example, guys. So here's the height. How you think that how much tall is it without extend pole? So till my the table, so you can see, but it's a variable height adjustment. So we can just rotate it. Yeah, not all the way. Fix it like that. So with the first pole extension, it will look like this much height, almost near to your hip area. And second pole extension, totally extend. So its second pole almost height on the about 4 feet or 3.5 usually. And third pole, so third one is here. Till now you can see this is perfect height for standing vlogging and everything, so you can do it here. It's a perfect one. Here you can see this is this much tall, yeah, and quite good quality. So total fully extend 1.36 meter. So it's a quite good and hard, but keep in mind this is only stand. Okay, your phone will fit here vertically, not horizontally. I'll show you guys. So here's the phone, and it will fit like this one. So if you are going to use for vlogging or anything, so you have to change this adjustment. You have to put your separate DIY adjustment for this one, because if you can't put it like that, because your camera is supposed to be outer side, so you just can't put it like that. So it's a only stand to hold it. So this is the ending of this review of Anko floor standing table and smartphone stand. So we'll see you in next vlog.